Hi, it's Bryan and today I am at Moonlight Drive. So when you drive up to the home, you're going to see that it's a very low-slung 1970s mid-century home. It's been desert landscaped all the way around the house, but it has this beautiful look in the front because you have these gorgeous mature palm trees, and you have the architecture of the home that just gives it a very unique vibe. And we've updated that with brightening the color of the original home that was here. We gave it a whole new look in terms of there was a carport in front. Now it's completely nice and bright, and it just gives you a whole different look of the house than it did before. And when you enter the home, you have these spectacular views of the mountains, the pool, the whole valley, which is just amazing. So you really feel like you're in a very unique place because the Cove, the Cathedral City Cove is a unique place. You're elevated, you have these views that surround you, and it's just incredible to be able to be elevated and have the views of the planes even coming in, the pool, which is very large, it's very old school, and that's one thing I love about these mid-century homes in particular. The living room has a gas fireplace, which we completely redid, has been completely reimagined in the sense of it was a very small kind of galley kitchen. We extended the island that is in the kitchen. We used all quartz countertops. The cabinets are custom made. We did them in sort of a mid gray light color wood. As we go into the dining room, you have beautiful views of the pool in the backyard, as well as the valley views. And then the atrium is been completely also reimagined in the sense that I think originally it may have been an enclosed porch, and we have extended it into looking like the rest of the living space, with continuing the tile all the way throughout into that area. Let's take a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms. So here we have the powder room / guest bathroom. There is a pocket door that slides between the two areas for privacy. It has a full shower as well as a door to the guest bedroom right here, which has gorgeous views of the mountains. And now we're heading into the primary bedroom, where you have beautiful views of the pool and the valley below. Lots of storage. There is a walk-in closet in this bedroom as well. Here is the primary bathroom, done with beautiful porcelain tile. So we're headed down the rest of the hallway, which we added recessed lighting. This is a large third bedroom. Lots of storage again. Gorgeous views of the mountains as well from this bedroom. Here is a view of the home from above. Love these drone shots. Gorgeous pool. As you can see, there's a lot of space for entertaining, and the cove view itself is absolutely beautiful. And here we go with zooming out into the valley, and you can see the other side of the valley from the house. Please contact me. I would love to speak to you about this home or any other property that you're thinking about purchasing in the Coachella Valley. Thanks so much for watching.